If you're a business owner or you just started a new business and you're thinking of a way to sell all your products this season, trust me, this video is for you. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 tricks on how to get sold out this season in any kind of product you're selling. So if you're interested in this video, I advise you to pay attention and do not for any reason skip any part of this video. Let's get straight to it. So one of the first tricks you should consider this season if you want to get sold out is attractive deal, juicy offer. You see, many people are out there in the market selling same products that you are selling, but what makes you stand out is when your offer is very attractive. You can decide to do something like buy 3 get 1 free, or free shipping worldwide, or free delivery. Make something different. Do something that you're going to use to get new customers this season. Do something that your customers cannot even think of leaving your product to buy from somewhere else. Make your offer this season so attractive. This is going to really help to boost your sales in this season we are about to go into. And the second one you should consider is collaborating with influencers. You see, one thing about influencers is that they have a very huge fan base. Yes, and when they post your product on their page, trust me, you're going to have a lot of sales. People trust the judgment of others. They hold people they see in high regard. So this is where your influencers come in. Work with influencers that people love so much. Work with influencers that are trending for that period. Work with influencers that are going to help take your business to the next level. If you have budget on that, trust me, this is the time for you to bring out your money. Invest in collaborating with influencers, and trust me, you're going to get sold out. You're going to have massive sales this season. And if you don't have budget for this, you should pay attention to the number 4 trick. I'm going to give you an alternative you can use there. Now the third one you should consider this season is giveaway. Yes, I know everyone have heard about this giveaway thing, and when I talk about giveaway, something comes into your mind like, am I not wasting money on that? Am I not, how is it going to be beneficial to me? This is going to be very beneficial to your business. You are making gain and your customers are happy. Now you can decide to do something like the person with the highest tag on this particular post, or the person with the highest tag on my page get to go away with particular products that you know people love so much. Now this depends on what you want to put as the price. This depends on you. And while doing this, people will get to tag their friends, their family members, their classmates, people they know that can really patronize you. Just make your page boost up. You know, people are going to start seeing the things you sell. This take your page to the next level, and while doing that, this boosts your sales. And this is what we want for our business. So if you're thinking about it, you should consider giveaway. This is going to take your business to the next level. And the fourth one you should consider, remember in the second trick I mentioned, I told you that if you don't have sufficient fund for collaborating with influencers, I'm going to give you another alternative. You can decide to invest in sponsored adverts. You're going to pay for adverts. Every business owner this season should consider paying for adverts. We have thousands of people selling that same product you're selling online, and when you pay for advert, this is going to take your business to another level, because this is where you have target audience. People that are not even in your state or around you is going to see what you're selling. We have thousands of people selling what you're selling, and those people are paying for adverts. So when you don't pay for advert, I'm not saying if you don't pay for advert, people are not going to see you. No, I'm not saying that, but you can't compare it to when you pay for adverts. New customers get to see what you're selling. People from far, people around you get to see what you're selling, and this boost your business. This is going to make you have a lot of sales this season. So if you're not thinking about it, trust me, you should consider investing in paid adverts, either in your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook, different way you should. and it's going to take your business to the next level. Before I move to the next one, I'd like to ask you, have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? On this channel, we discuss money, business, growth, and my YouTube journey. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. And let's move to the next one. The next one is packaging. How do you package your product? Are you doing same thing you've been doing from January, February up to now? You need to change your packaging game, whereby people can decide to buy your product and gift it to others. Do not use random packaging. You can decide this time around your packaging, season greeting. You can decide to print a card, a thank you card. You can decide to make your package look different, look so attractive. This is going to bring you customers that haven't patronized you before. It's going to get you new customers to patronize you. So your packaging game this season has to change. And the next one you should consider is be creative. Creativity, this is something that's going to change your game. Do not be among the crowd. Do something different. Do something very different. You see people are selling a particular product. Okay, let me give for example. We have over 1,000 people selling hair on Instagram, and you want to just come out, you want to do the same way everybody is doing. No, you have to make a difference. For example, you can decide to customize your hair. You can decide to make your content splendid. You can decide to just be creative when doing this. This depends on you. You should think, what am I going to do to be different from others? This is going to help you change your game this period, and trust me, you're going to make lot of sales doing that. And the next one you should consider is customer service support. You see this particular one, some people ignore it, but this is very important, because this reminds me of what happened last week. You see, last week I tried to order for a particular product from a brand, and when I tried to order for this product, I asked how much is this product. They replied me, and I said, okay, can you send your account details? And up till now I haven't gotten any response, and this is very bad for your business. You see, you as a business owner, you can't be handling your marketing, you can't be handling your packaging, your distributing to different people. You can't handle everything at once. You need to get a customer service that's going to be standby to reply to people. You can't handle everything, because this season there's going to be lots of orders coming in, and trust me, when people send you a message and you're not there to reply, we have thousands of people selling that product online. The person will go and buy from somewhere else. So this season you need to get your customer service in check. You need to make it so important. Make it a priority. Make sure you get customer service that will be able to attend to your customers. And the next one you should consider this season is delivering a good product. See, do not be a person that someone order for this and getting a bad item just because you want to sell out that item. And at the end of the day, this can bring your business down, because once people start talking bad about your business, that is going to really kill your business. So you should always deliver something good. People are bringing out their money to patronize you. You have to give a very good product. Do not give a product that product comes in, the person is going to get angry, the person will not be happy, the person start dropping bad comments on your social media handle. You don't want that for your business. So deliver what you posted. Deliver a very good product. And trust me, once people start dropping a good comment, I love my ring light, I love my hair, I love my clothes I bought from you, it's going to bring in more customers to your business. And the next one you should consider this period is focus on why customers are patronizing you. This is very important. You should know the reason why customers are patronizing you. Is it because of a particular product, or is it because of my marketing strategy? Is it because of focus on that end? That is what you should be giving to them. It's going to help you this season to have lots and lots of sales. Every business owner wants to get sold out this season. every business owner wants to sell their product this season, but they don't know the right way to go about it. If you do these things I mentioned, trust me, you're going to make a lot of sales this period, and you're not going to go into the next year with that particular product. Choose your marketing channel wisely. This one, you see, there are different kind of way you can market your product. It's not a must you market your product only on Instagram, only on TikTok, only on Facebook. There are different ways you can advertise your product. You can decide to print flyers, go around with people you want to go around, talk to people, go into the market, depend on the kind of product you sell. If it's the kind of product that you have to go into the market there, tell people about the product, show them samples, you should do that, because it's not every kind of marketing that has to just be done online only. Some kind of marketing you need to go extra, you need to go out there to the street, you need to tell people, ask people questions, let them know everything about your product. With that, trust me, you're going to get sold out this period. I've come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, you have to subscribe right now and join this family where we discuss money, business, growth. See you all on my next video.